Yeah, it will be quite busy. A lot of stuff, you know, for a 10-minute video.
Like the weather is changing a little bit. It's kind of drizzling now, but the sky at the moment is like a homogeneous mass of gray. And for mood, we are looking for tonality, we are looking for texture. I think I found the composition, and I have this waterfall bridge in front of me, and oh boy, absolutely fantastic. Emerges from the shadow. Probably there is a better angle somewhere. I'm not sure where, but unexpectedly, honestly, I did not expect any hint of fog in April. I am basically surrounded by beautiful, luscious fog. It's a side road, but it looks so cinematic. It's like you're in some sort of a movie and stuff. It's nothing much happening. Absolutely gorgeous. I'm finally at the location, and 13 minutes walk on a beautiful foggy day. Come on, man, come on! What else do you want? Would you look at that? Would you look at that at the Copper Coast? Like, everything looks fine. I decided to stop and take a look at this composition here. I already messed up the polarizing. Oh, the fog is gone. This is just an overcast day now. To basically get this as a foreground, this big stone in front of me, I will start probably at f8. We'll put 1/15 of a second for good measure. We're in bulb mode, and we'll wait for exactly 1 minute. It's all about finding this balance. To be honest, without these rocks in the foreground, the composition would have been a little bit stranger, but now I think we get more balance, and we'll see what we get. Well, I am here. The sea stack is not engulfed in water, but well, the high tide will be maybe in another 20 minutes. Somebody made a campfire here. Yeah, that's it. That's the sea stack. Now we just have to find the right composition. It says high tide at 10 o'clock, and it is 10 o'clock, and this is the highest it can go. Obviously I'll take a photo. There's no doubt about it. It just won't be. I'll just probably make way for some others as well. What is the camera seeing actually? I don't have a wider lens than 28 obviously, but it's not bad, to be honest. What we need now is just the anti-grad. We'll get an obvious shot, and then we'll go from there. We're at 1 minute, so let's see what we got. Wow. Now another thing that it strikes me, the light is not falling on the sea stack. Yeah, now it's getting illuminated. The sun is coming. Whoa. What a happy coincidence. Look, oh my god. Talking about being at the right time. Oh, hello sun. What? Yeah, let's see what we got this time. Oh yeah, you see, compared to what we had before, this is definitely much better. We can see more light here over the sea stack. Yeah, so this time I'm here. I'm just trying to use these leading lines out of nowhere. The main stack is somehow backlit. I'm having the camera set at ISO 1600. I have a 10-stop filter, a polarizing and an anti-grad. This camera is some sort of a dual sensitivity. It's not a dual ISO. I'm getting basically the same dynamic range at ISO 80. And just keep on clicking, keep on clicking. The waves are creating a very whitish bright foam. There is a natural contrast between this and volcanic sand or rocks that we have in these areas. I'm just clicking more photos and I'll put the images on the screen later on. So I found a very nice composition. I have these leading lines, this type of grass that was burned by the sun. There is the cove in the middle. Then there is a very nice peninsula with some sort of a castle. I have the polarizing because the sun is in an angle, and just to tame the sky I'll be using a 3-stop anti-grad as well. Why not? So let me just adjust this. Yeah, my remote control is dangling, but my spirit is dangling as well because I have found this, my friends, and I have found this puddle of water in top of this hill where the sea is basically at the base. This is a composition that screams for a polarizing filter. I tried various shutter times. Probably I settled somewhere between 1 and 5 seconds, and browsing through the images here, I'm quite happy with that. It's probably one day it will be on the cover of the National Geographic magazine. Yes, and this is the next composition. You have it in front of you, the mother of all sea stacks. There's a huge sea stack. I'm using the foreground here as a frame to the big sea stacks. So why would I exclude that? That doesn't make any sense. Second of all, the water is very angry. The sea is very angry. I aimed in most of the photographs for half a second, 1/2 second exposure, just to capture the power of the waves. Obviously, I did a 1 minute exposure as well. I'll put on the screen the 2 photographs. This is the last composition that I found here. Now I'm seeing it from here, from above, and it's absolutely gorgeous. What is really missing, and I don't think I'll be lucky enough, is the human element, like the scale. You know, what happens is I need scale. I was thinking to leave the camera here and go down and take a photo of myself, but that will take me, like, I'm not sure how much. I can probably create a time lapse. It's not that, I don't think it's a good idea. I just want to go over here to see if there is a potential person walking down the beach. No. I think that was it for today. And I'll see you next time.